Did you know that over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every single minute? That's crazy, right? So, how do you stand out in such a crowded space? Today, let's dive into how to start a successful YouTube channel and get views fast. If you're just starting or planning to start your channel, this video is for you. Now, let's talk about the challenges new YouTubers face. The first big challenge is that YouTube is a very crowded platform. Millions of videos are uploaded daily, and if your content gets lost, what's the point? No matter how good your videos are, if no one watches them, it's wasted effort. The next big hurdle is building a subscriber base. In the early days, getting consistent viewers and subscribers can seem almost impossible. Then there's the YouTube algorithm, which is tricky to figure out and optimize. But don't worry, I'm here to share some tips to help you through these struggles. First and foremost, choose your niche carefully. It's crucial to create videos on topics that you're passionate about and that your audience will love. Do you enjoy tech, fitness, cooking, or maybe travel? Once you're clear on your niche, your audience will follow. Another thing that new creators often forget is uniqueness. Why should your audience follow your channel if you're not creating something unique and valuable? Once your niche is clear, it's time to plan your content. Without a plan, you might feel lost along the way. Create a content calendar. How many videos will you upload each week? Which days? This not only gives your audience something to look forward to, but also keeps you organized. Also, consistency is key. If you upload one video this week and disappear next week, your audience may lose interest. Now let's talk about the technical aspects: your title, thumbnail, and SEO. Your title should grab attention. For example, a title like "How to Stand Out on YouTube in 2024" is much more engaging. Your thumbnail should be clean, colorful, and eye-catching. It's the first thing people notice, so don't overlook it. SEO, or search engine optimization, is extremely important. Use the right keywords in your description and tags so your video appears in search results. Simply uploading a video isn't enough. Now, it's time for audience engagement. Your channel truly grows when you connect with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community on your channel. When your audience feels valued, they become loyal, which strengthens your subscriber base. Remember, the better you understand your audience, the faster your channel will grow. Now, here's a game-changing tip. Collaborating with other creators can significantly boost your channel's growth. When you collaborate with other YouTubers, their audience connects with your content too. It's a win-win situation. You can do shout-outs, guest appearances, or create videos together. The best approach is to collaborate with creators in your niche, so both of your audiences benefit. This will bring in new viewers and add credibility to your channel. Collaborating also gives you new ideas, and you get to learn from others. There are various ways to collaborate: live streams, podcasts, or posting content on both channels simultaneously. Another strategy is to increase community engagement. Directly interact with your collaborators' audience and attract them to your channel. This not only brings new subscribers, but also shows the audience the value you bring. So, to sum up, starting a YouTube channel and getting views fast requires strategy. Choose the right niche, plan your content, leverage SEO, and build a strong connection with your audience. And yes, collaboration can take your channel to new heights. All of these will help your channel grow faster. Now, I want to hear from you. What challenges have you faced while starting your YouTube channel? Share your experience in the comments below. And if this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'll be back with more exciting tips in the next video. Until then, keep creating content, and thank you for watching.